everyone, welcome back to Cravings Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I'm making something I haven't done in a very long time. Today we're going to be making a no-bake cheesecake. This chocolate cherry berry cheesecake is amazing. I've made this no-bake so I can add the abundance of the season, all those beautiful berries that are available in the market, into this beautiful cheesecake, and it is absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with the base. I have 2 cups of Oreo cookie crumbs here. Of course, you can also use graham crackers or any other type of cookie crumbs you like. I also have about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of melted butter here, and I'm just going to add only as much as I need. We want the mixture to be moist but not to be soggy. Once it's mixed in, I'm going to pour this into my 18 by 18 centimeter lined baking tin. Because I chose not to use my springform pan for this, I've made a parchment paper handle so it's easy to lift the cheesecake out later. If you're a beginner, a springform pan is really the best way to go. I'm going to pack the crumbs in here tight. I like to use a mojito muddler to press it down, or even just the back of a spoon. Once ready, this must be refrigerated for at least 20 to 30 minutes so the butter gets a chance to firm up again. In the meantime, let's work on the cheesecake mixture. For every 500 ml of liquid, you need 1 package of gelatin to set it. Each package of gelatin is 1 tablespoon, that's about 15 ml of gelatin. Because this is more than 500 ml, instead of adding more gelatin, I've dissolved half a package of Cherry Jello in some hot water. I've used roughly about 30 grams of Jello. I have 500 grams of cream cheese here, and since this just came out of the fridge, I've just zapped it for a few seconds so it's easier to work with. Beat this well and then add the juice of half a lemon, and I'm also going to add 1 can, that's 300 ml of sweetened condensed milk. I mixed 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder with some water to dissolve it, and I'm going to add half of this in. I've dissolved the gelatin in some hot water, I've mixed it and allowed it to cool, and now I'm just going to fold this in. I've dissolved half a package of Cherry Jello in some hot water. I'm just going to fold this in. It's going to give us great color and flavor. I'm just going to scrape in the rest of the dissolved cocoa powder. And I'm going to just mix it in ever so slightly. I saved half for later so I could get some nice little chocolate ribbons running through the cheesecake. The base is now chilled, and I'm just going to load this up with fruit. I have some cherries that I've halved as well as some blackberries, and I'm going to add roughly about 1/4 cup of each into the base. I'm now gently going to ladle the cheesecake mixture and I will fill it up with more fruit in between. This just about fits, and I'm just going to carefully place this in my fridge. This needs to chill for at least 8 hours or more so it's easy to slice. When it's semi-set about the 1 or 2 hour mark, I'm just going to pull it out so I can cover the surface with chocolate curls. Back in the fridge it goes to chill. Once set, this is easy to cut and you can decorate with more cherries and berries. This is a perfect dessert for summer, light and airy and loaded with seasonal fruit. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. This chocolate cherry berry cheesecake is absolutely delicious. You can make it for your friends and family or even take it to a potluck. Everyone's going to love it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and don't forget to share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. Also, leave me a comment below. I really like to hear from you and I'd like to know what videos you would like to see, whether you like this video and anything that you want to tell me. I would love to hear from you. Also, be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social media channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.